Care Management Platform working with orthodontic patients. Accessing the patient orthodontic record. To view orthodontic information for a patient, select the Clinical tab and click Orthodontic Clinical Summary. The Orthodontic Clinical Summary provides an overview of the ortho treatment for the patient. Past, current, and future appointment information is displayed. Notes from the last clinical visit can be reviewed. Images for the patient are displayed, and information regarding their ortho treatment for aligners or mechanics. If the patient has an appointment today, you can add a note as well as a hygiene rating for the visit. After the patient has been seated from the daily schedule, you can complete the appointment from the Orthodontic Clinical Summary. Click Manage Appointment to add or edit procedures for today's appointment and complete the procedures. To make an appointment, click Schedule an Appointment. Enter the appointment information, click Schedule Appointment, and the schedule opens, so you can search for the day and time for the appointment and drag the patient's appointment card to the desired appointment time. Beginning and tracking treatment. To begin a new treatment phase for the patient, click Begin New Treatment. Begin typing into the treatment field to search for or create a treatment phase name. Set the start date, how long the treatment will take, which will populate the estimated end date, and select the treatment modality. The treatment modality selection will determine what displays on the patient's summary window. The current treatment is notated at the top of the summary window, and you now have the option to end current treatment under Actions. After beginning treatment, more details are needed to begin tracking the patient's aligner or mechanics progress. Aligner and mechanics tracking are available from the Clinical tab or from the Clinical Summary based on what was selected when beginning new treatment. To add details and to track aligners, click Manage under Aligner Tracking or select Aligner Tracking under the Clinical tab. Click Create New Aligner Plan. Select upper tray, lower tray, or both. If upper and lower trays are used but they will be different trays, select upper and lower individually instead of using both. Begin typing to search for or create an aligner brand entry. Set the start date, enter the number of aligners, aligners delivered in the first stage, how often they will need to be changed, tray usage, and notes. Click View Legend to view color coding for the aligner plan. After entering an aligner plan, you can manage it from here or end it. Select Manage to create a refinement for the patient in case treatment is restarted. If refinements are made, you can access previous plans under Aligner Plan History. This aligner plan information will also populate on the Orthodontic Clinical Summary. You can view the treatment progress quickly from the top and detailed information under Aligner Tracking. If mechanics was selected when beginning new treatment, click any of the links under the Mechanics Tracking area to add details and track the patient's mechanics. Here you can view past, current, and planned mechanics treatment. To add planned ortho treatment, select the Plan tab and select the mechanics type under Filter to add the mechanics being used for the patient. Begin typing into the search fields to search or add the mechanics item and click the Add button to add it. Click Activate once the patient is active in the plan. This will move the mechanics information under the Current tab. Use the Filter drop-down to view the different mechanics details or select All Mechanics to view all. You are not able to complete treatment on the day it was added. After a day has passed, the Complete option will appear. Completed treatment is moved under the History tab. The Clinical Orthodontic Summary window is updated with the mechanics information. If you have multiple items planned for one mechanics type, an ellipsis will be available to click to view the additional items. The links can be selected at any time to view the mechanics tracking details. This concludes Care Management Platform working with orthodontic patients.